President Mnangagwa, with the backing of ZANU-PF and the government, appears determined to extend his rule beyond 2028 to 2030 and implement a series of changes aimed at revamping the political, electoral, and government systems. Zalapena mashuku anobudanyika pangana achinzi military uniforms and secret meetings, signs of a deepening divide. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina pangwa ino mnamobudanyika mchinzi. The poster is also manifested in symbolic acts of defiance and ignite and heightened surveillance. On 24 November 2025, Chiwenga and several other retired army generals unexpectedly appeared in full ceremonial army uniforms at the inauguration of General Matatu as the new ZDF commander. This move, while seen as a powerful display of military solidarity and a reminder of Chiwenga's continued influence within the armed forces, reportedly caused considerable discomfort, and President Mnangagwa and his allies. The sight of the retired generals in uniform was interpreted by many as a subtle but potent warning, recalling the events of 2017. Doma developments akuda pangwa ino on pakunzi, these were the signs around kuti azvina kumira zvakanaka ahoma political battles. Ma developments arikuda pangwa ino arikuonekwa kunzi the struggle pangwa ino isati yapera and ma fights achiramba chiendera mberi. Pinda comment section yedu dzofungura any more pamusoro pechiriko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.